Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to change the language in your Amazon app. Whether you're looking to shop in a language you're more comfortable with or just exploring new linguistic settings, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's open the Amazon app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Once you're in the application, click on your profile. Then simply scroll down until you find the settings. Here you can see I have English as my option of choice of language, but you can simply choose whatever language you are comfortable in. Amazon offers a variety of languages to choose from. Simply select the language you prefer. After selecting a new language, you might see a prompt asking you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm. And that's it. Your Amazon app should now display in the language you selected. Navigate around the app to ensure the changes have taken effect. Remember, changing the app's language does not affect your shipping options or the availability of the products. It simply changes the language the app uses to communicate with you. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to change the language in our Amazon app. We hope this guide has been helpful. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Happy shopping!